Welcome to CodeClarity, your AI-powered code review companion. Built with the Sensei Wisdom Engine API, our AI agent uses a custom-trained replica to analyze your code, explain logic, detect bugs, and guide you like a personal mentor. And AI will support more than 20-plus programming language. Let's make your code smarter together. I entered a simple line of code. Print hello. Immediately, CodeClarity kicked in, powered by the Sensei Wisdom Engine API. The system detected that this was Python code and began a comprehensive analysis. It explained that the code tries to print the value of a variable named hello. But since hello wasn't defined, it would throw a name error. The AI didn't stop there. It offered a fix. It suggested I either define the variable or, if I meant to print the word hello, just use a string literal like print hello. It even flagged the exact syntax error and offered alternative code. All of this was seamlessly generated using a combination of Sensei and Gemini. And with the Learn More links, I could dive deeper into topics like how Python handles print statements, name errors, and string usage, all redirected to helpful tutorials and documentation. On the other side, my code mentor, a custom Sensei replica, was ready to chat. I asked, "Hi, mentor, can you give me the correct code to print hello in Python?" It instantly replied with a corrected line, explained why quotes are necessary, and even shared search suggestions to help me continue learning. So I pasted print hello into the code editor, and again the AI jumped into action. This time, it detected no syntax errors. It explained that the string hello would be printed to the console using the print function, a basic correct Python statement. That's the beauty of how Sensei works in this app. It combines deep code analysis, natural language feedback, syntax correction, learning links, and real-time mentorship into one seamless experience. Whether you're a beginner or debugging something more complex, CodeClarity and the Sensei Wisdom Engine help you write better code and learn faster, one snippet at a time. Now let's try something more advanced. I entered a Python snippet involving metaclasses, lambdas, decorators, and recursion. It starts with a metaclass named meta, which adds a new class attribute meta_val, calculated as a sum of squares from 0 to 9. Then there's the weird class that uses this metaclass. Inside, it defines a list of lambda functions and data, each returning a square of an index. There's also a static method magic that calculates factorial recursively using nested lambdas. Outside the class, we define a decorator deco that logs a message before a function runs. It's applied to the run function, which creates an instance of weird, extracts all the squares using the stored lambdas, calculates 7 factorial with magic, zips the list with reverse, and prints the result. The moment I pasted the code, our Sensei Wisdom Engine kicked in. It did a deep analysis, recognizing the use of metaclasses, static methods, lambdas, and decorators. It not only explained what each part of the code does, but also offered improvement suggestions like using clearer variable names and avoiding confusion in lambda expressions. There were no syntax errors, and the AI even linked helpful resources for deeper understanding. Then I opened a chat with our Sensei replica code mentor and asked, "Can you explain the class meta and the function deco?" The mentor broke it down beautifully. It explained that meta is a metaclass that injects class-level data during class creation, and that deco is a decorator which adds pre-execution logging behavior to any function it wraps. The mentor even suggested topics to search for, like metaclass tutorials, how decorators work, and when to use them. To further test our platform, I entered a basic C program line, printf, hello world. But I made a mistake. I forgot the semicolon. Instantly, the AI caught the syntax error and guided me to fix it. I added the semicolon and reran it, and it worked perfectly. This is how CodeClarity, powered by the Sensei Wisdom Engine, helps users at every level. From basic syntax fixes to deep dive explanations of complex code concepts. It's like having a senior developer and a tutor in one place, always ready to guide you. Right now, I'm working within the Sensei platform where I manually created my AI replica. There's also an option to create replicas via commands, but I chose the platform method to easily add more programming knowledge by linking multiple websites. Using the replica's UID, I connected it seamlessly to our CodeClarity app as a code mentor. Moving over to GitHub, I pushed the full project with a detailed README. It highlights key features, explains how the Sensei Wisdom Engine integration works, and lists important file locations, from the backend API that talks to Sensei, to UI components handling code input, analysis display, and the interactive chat panel. It even covers global styling and environment variables for API keys. For the hackathon, I broke down milestones, from setting up the UI, integrating Sensei API for analysis, adding chat support, to implementing a dark mode toggle and responsive design. The core is the AI-powered replica interaction that brings intelligent, conversational code mentorship to life. Thanks for watching.